अवगत होंगे जिन्होंने अब तक की कक्षा 10वीं के जो छात्र छात्राएं हैं उनके साथ कुछ ऐसे अनुभवों को आत्मसात किया है जिनके माध्यम से वर्तमान के कक्षा 10वीं के बच्चे आगे और आगे जा करके अपने पथ को प्रयासरत बनाते हुए सफलता की ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचेंगे। अमरीश सर, आदरणीय अमरीश सर।
Good morning, everyone present here. First of all, I extend my very welcome to honorable dignitaries on this momentous occasion. I would like to share few words which I have spent to you in this session and earlier also. You believe that all you are really a gem. You have really capacity to rise as the phoenix bird from the ash. I have taught you in these few days after the lockdown period, and I also came across that you have a great confidence with you. You have ability to handle the problems, and I also realize that many of you have potential, many of you have courage to deal with the problems and rise at the highest level of the success. Even I also notice some of the students who are very much curious. They continuously keep on asking questions, and I always hear them, and I always support them to ask questions not only the detailed standard but throughout your life. Because asking questions is a symbol of curiosity. It fulfill your desire of the knowledge that makes you a competitive person in this world. Therefore, keep this spirit alive and try to become knowledgeable person from all sources of life. Take the information from every corner of the point, from the teacher, from the parents, from the classmates and various people, and equip yourself with the great personality. I would like to tell a short story of 5 men. 5 men were caught in thick forest. First man said, I will go left because my intuition said so. The second man said, I will go right because right word comes from rightness. Third man said, I will go back from where we came. Fourth man said, we will go straight because life is the thing, or life is a platform where we should always move forward, not to look back. And fifth man said, you all are wrong. I will find the best solution, wait some time. The fifth man climbed on the tree, tallest tree, he climbed on the tallest tree and wanted to find a best solution in the forest. Till that, all 4 men went on their directions. And the fifth man, after climbing on the tree, he found out the best solution and the way how to move from the forest, and realized that all 4 men were wrong. He is the only one person who is wisest and he could find the way. But do you know, the students, all 5 men were wise, because the man who went left, he had to fight with the wild animals and he starved very much. So he learned the lesson how to survive in the forest and started teaching others. The second man who moves right, he was robbed. He was robbed and joined with the thieves. Then he learned the lesson, the thieves are the people who have forgotten the values of compassion and humanity. The third man who went back, who found out the trail, and many people were confused in roaming in the forest. So after finding out the trail in the forest, he created a way. He created a way in the forest to move without fear of getting lost. And the fourth man who went straight became the pioneer and visited many places which many the other people had never visited, and created new opportunities. And the fifth man who climbed on the tallest tree became the guide. Whenever any people came to him, at that time he started guiding them and finding the solutions for their problems. In this way, all 5 people listened their intuition and they created their own path. This is the destiny of their life. So, dear students, I want to highlight here that you are the people who can create your own destiny in your life. Okay, so by this important message, I would like to end here my brief words with one quotation from famous and noted President of America, Abraham Lincoln. He said that leave nothing for tomorrow which can be done today. So before leaving, I would like to extend my best wishes for your board exam in Marathi. शुभेच्छांचा बहार लेऊन फुलल्या साऱ्या वेली, समृद्धीची किरण होऊन ही पहाट पुन्हा आली. शुभेच्छांचा बहार लेऊन फुलल्या साऱ्या वेली, समृद्धीची किरण होऊन ही पहाट पुन्हा आली. कर्तृत्वाच्या प्रकाशात साऱ्या दिशा धावू द्या, कर्तृत्वाच्या प्रकाशात साऱ्या दिशा धावू द्या. तुमच्याच डोळ्यातून आता विश्व सर्वांना पाहू द्या. तुमच्याच डोळ्यातून आता